Here we are going to discuss the history question, ancient Indian history and medieval Indian history question. First question is asking, consider the following statement regarding the Harihara and Vukha. First question asking that consider the following statement regarding the Harihara and Bukha. First statement telling that they were the founder of the Vijayanagara Empire and belonged to the Sangama dynasty. It's very correct statement. They were the founder of the Vijayanagara Empire and belonged to the Sangama dynasty. Is correct answer, correct option. Second, telling that they were originally the feudatory of the Kakatiya of Rangla. This is also correct. Third, telling that they were the contemporary of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the Sultan of the Delhi. Yes, very correct statement. He asking the correct one. So all the three means A become the D. D become the correct answer. Next question, question number second asking which of these is a globe puppet tradition performed in and around Lucknow. Option A telling that Kalwa Belua, B telling that Gulabo Sitabo, and C telling that Kathi Kundei Nach, and D telling Ravna Chaya. So correct option is B, Gulabo Sitabo. Next question, question number 3, asking that consider the following pair. A ruler and kingdom have given Danti Durga, Rashtrakutas is very correctly matched. Mayur Sharma, Kandamba is very correctly matched. Hari Chandra, Gujara Partihara, this is also correctly matched. He asking pair are correctly matched. All the three pair are correctly matched, so D become the correct answer. Next question. Question number 4 asking that with reference to the Stone Age culture in India, consider the following statement. Option A telling that the lower Paleolithic tools technology is characterized by flake tool industry. No, this is incorrect. Second, telling that middle Paleolithic tools have mostly been found in northern India. This is also incorrect. And the third, telling that microliths are the tools of the Mesolithic age characterized by parallel side blades is very correct statement. So here asking correct one, so 3 only correct, so D 3C become the correct answer. Next question, question number 5 asking that consider the following statement regarding the village life under the Mughal rules. First, telling that Kamins were the landless peasants who often belonged to the untouchable class is very correct statement. Second, telling that Khudkhas were the peasants who own land they till is very correct statement. Third, telling that Mujrin were the poorest tenants whom invariably paid land revenue at a higher rate as compared to the other classes of the peasants. Yes, this is also correct. He asking incorrect one, the none one is incorrect statement. So here become none of the above are incorrect. D become the correct answer. Next question, question number 6. Asking that match the following list 1 and list 2. Rig Veda match to the collection of song D, and Samveda Rig Veda match to the collection of the hymns B, and Samveda is a collection of the song D, and Yajur Veda is a collection of the sacrificial formula, and fourth is Atharveda. Atharveda is a collection of the spells and charms C. So correct answer is B. D. Correct match. Next question, question number 7 asking that the term Karnataka Samraj Yamu is used to describe which kingdom of medieval India. Here's any Hosala, Chalukyas and Yadavas and Vijayanagara. Here correct answer is D. Vijayanagara. Next question, question number 8 asking that consider the following statement regarding the different form of Pandya style of painting. First, telling Gita Govinda and Bhagavad Purana were the one of the popular subject of Kangra school of painting. Yes, very correct assessment. Next, telling a famous group of painting known as 12 month belong to the Dogra school of painting. No, this is not Dogra school of painting. This is belong to the Kangra school of painting, not the Dogra school of painting. So first, second is incorrect. He asking correct one. So A, only A become the correct answer. Next question, question number 9 asking that which of the following statement incorrectly regarding the Santhali language. Incorrect asking. Here asking it is not printed on the Indian currency notes. Yes, this is correct. and he is telling that it has been added to the 8th schedule of the constitution by amendment at a late date and wasn't part of the original constitution. This is also correct. And third, telling it is the first tribal language that has its own Wikipedia edition in its own script. Yes, this is also correct. And D telling that it has never been used by the member of the parliament either in the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. This is incorrect. There it has been used. Never make this statement incorrect. So D become the correct. Next question number 5, asking that consider the following statement. Archaeological Survey of India was founded in the 1961 by the Alexander Cunningham. Yes, very correct statement. Second, telling that protection and maintenance of the monuments declared as of the national importance is taken by the Geological Survey of India. This is incorrect. The protection of the and maintenance of the monuments declared as the national importance is taken as the Archaeological Survey of India, not the Geological Survey of India. So second is incorrect. Here asking correct one. So A, only one A become the correct answer. Next question. Question number 11, asking that with reference to the Bhakti movement, which of the following statement is are correct? Option A, telling that Bhakti movement originated in the southern part of the India, especially Tamil Nadu, between 7th and the 12th century. Yes, very correct. Second, telling that Ramananda was the first Bhakti saint to use Hindi for the propagation of his message. Yes, very correct. Third, telling that Bijak referred to the composition of the Saint Kabir. Yes, this is also correct. And fourth, D, telling that Bhakti saint believed that the salvation can be achieved by all, made no distinction of the caste, creed or religion. Yes, this is also correct. So first, second, third and fourth all are correct. So here asking correct one, so the D become the correct answer. Next question number 12, asking that which of the following event occurred during the reign of the Muhammad bin Tughlaq? Option A, telling that he is known to have transferred his capital from Delhi to Divgiri. Yes, very correct statement. Second, telling that he issued copper coin at par with the value of the silver tanka coins. Yes, this is also correct. Third, telling that Ibn Battuta acted as a Qazi in the Delhi for 8 years during his reign. Yes, this is also correct. Fourth, telling that Port of Adilabad was built under his rule. This is also correct. So here asking correct one. So all the D means D become the correct answer. Next question number 13, telling that which among the following Mughal emperor built a new city, Din Panah, at Delhi? Option A, telling Babur, Humayun, Akbar and Jahangir. Humayun. B become the correct answer. Next question number 14, asking that which one of the following statement is incorrect with respect to the Gupta ruler Chandragupta II? Option incorrect asking. Here telling that Gupta ruler was at its peak during the reign of Chandragupta II. Yes, very correct. Second, telling that Kalidas Amar Sinha were a scholar at the court of the Chandragupta II at Ujjain. Yes, this is also correct. And C, telling that Chinese pilgrim Fahian visited India during his reign. This is also correct. And third, telling D, telling that Chandragupta II started the Vikram Samvat era. Chandragupta II started the Vikram era, not the Vikram Samvat era. So D become the incorrect. So next question number 15, asking that Harappa civilization marked the beginning of the second urbanization in India. This is incorrect, because Harappa civilization marked the beginning of the first urbanization in India, not the second urbanization in India. So first is incorrect. Second, telling that Harappa people did not practice plowing because iron was unknown to them. No, this is incorrect. Iron was unknown to them, but Harappan people did practice the plowing. So second is also incorrect. Third, telling animal depiction of the famous Pasupati seals excavated at the Harappa are the rhino, buffalo and an elephant and a tiger. Yes, very correct. Third one is correct one. He asking incorrect one. So here become the correct answer is A. Next question number 16, asking that with reference to the Rudra Daman 1, consider the following statement. Option A, telling that he was the most famous Kushana ruler of the who ruled mostly on the Sindh region. This is incorrect. He was the most famous of the Saka rulers, not the Kushana ruler. So first statement making incorrect. Second, telling that he undertook a repair work to improve the Kushana lake Sudarsana Lake in the semi-arid zone of the Kathiawar is very correct statement. Third telling that he was a great lover of the Sanskrit and was the first ruler to issue a long inscription in the Sanskrit in the Indian subcontinent. Yes, third is also correct. So he asking the correct one. So 1, 2 and 3 become the correct one. Next question number 17, asking that which of the following statement regarding the spread of material culture during the Mughal Maurya age is incorrect. He asking incorrect one. We should keep in mind. And first substance telling that this period provided evidence for the use of the socket, axes, hoes, spades, sickles and plowshare. Is very correct statement. So this is not correct answer, but a statement is correct. He asking the incorrect one. Second, telling the ring wells were first constructed under the Maurya in the Gangetic plain. This is also correct one and not incorrect. So this is not become the correct answer. So this is an incorrect one. He asking the incorrect one. So we should select go to the incorrect one. The second telling that Maurya construction does not give any evidence of use of burnt bricks, which were a common characteristic of Harappan construction. Mauryan construction does not give any evidence of use of burnt bricks, which were a common characteristic of Harappan construction. Maurya construction does not give any evidence of use of burnt brick, which were a common characteristic of Harappan construction. This is incorrect. And the spread of not like polish wire and part of the steel making across other part of India indicate they are rich trade. This is correct. So here become asking the incorrect. So C become the incorrect one. C become the incorrect one. Next question number 9, that asking terms of khud khast and pahi khast during medieval Indian history refer to the option A telling that official dealing with the tax collection, no. Types of the groundwater wells, no. A creditor and debtor, no. Two kind of pigeons is very correct assessment. So D become the correct answer. Next question number 9, that with reference to the Mahajan Padas and Sanghas, consider the following statement. Option A telling that while most Mahajan Padas were the monarchy ruled by the one king, and the Sanghas were a types of the Mahajan Pada that were oligarchy ruled collectively by the king. This is correct. And second is while Mahavira belonged to the Mahajan Pada and Buddha Baje from a Sangha. This is incorrect. While the Mahavira and Buddha both belong to the Sangha, no to the Mahajan Pada. So second become incorrect. So he asking correct one. So A become the correct answer. Next question number 20, asking with reference to the development of the language in India, which of the following statement is incorrect? Incorrect asking. First telling that the oldest surviving texts in the Indian subcontinent are in the Sanskrit. The oldest surviving texts in the Indian subcontinent are in Sanskrit. Very correct statement. Second telling that the oldest surviving Prakrit grammar is Panini's Asthadhyayi. This is also correct one. Next telling Apabharamsa is a term used for the further development of Prakrit up to the end of the first millennium BC. This is also correct. And next telling that among the Dravidian language, Tamil has the oldest literature, followed by Kannada. This is also correct. Oldest surviving Prakrit grammar is a Panini's Asthadhyayi. This is incorrect. The oldest surviving Prakrit grammar is not the Panini Asthadhyayi. Panini Asthadhyayi is in Sanskrit grammar, not the Prakrit grammar. So the B become the incorrect one. B become the incorrect one. Next question number 9. 21. Asking that consider the following statement regarding the doctrine of Jainism. Option A telling that principle of the Sayadavada emphasized that all judgments are continental, holding good only in certain condition and circumstance. This is incorrect. Because principle of Sayadavada emphasized that all judgments are conditional, holding goods only in certain condition and circumstance. No. This is a principle of Sayadavada is a doctrine of maybe. And the second telling that principle of Anikvada is also known as the doctrine of maybe. No. This is the emphasize that all judgments are conditional, holding and only in certain conditions and circumstance. So this is in conditional base. No, Anikvada is also the known as the doctrine of conditional base. So this is the incorrect. Second one incorrect. First one incorrect. Third one is principle of Pancha Mahavrata deal with the 5 great woe of the Jainism is very correct statement. So he asking the correct one. So 3 D become the one answer. Next question number 22. Which of the following correctly describe the finding of the Megasthenes Indica? Option E telling that there were no slaves in the India during the Gupta period. This is incorrect. There were no slaves in the India during the Maurya period, not the Gupta period. The first statement become incorrect. Second, telling that Pandyas were the first mentioned by the Megasthenes in Indica. Very correct statement. Third, telling that the king was at the head of the government and assisted by the council of ministers. This is also correct. And fourth, telling that administration of the armed force was carried on by a board of the 30 officers divided into 6 committee. This is fourth is also correct. Second, third, and fourth is correct. So he asking select the correct answer using the code given below, and he asking the correct one. So the 2, 3, 4th become the correct. First become the incorrect. Consider the following description of archaeological site of the Indus Valley civilization. Asoka, also known as the Prasarma Kakhera, these settlements along the Yamuna river existed from 1333 BC to the 1300 BC. Among major discoveries made here were several ceramic items like proof item, cups, vases, beads, and cards. Among the others, also a ham bowl and broken copper blade were the unearthed at this site. So this description is given here. Dholavira, the site described above is the Dholavira, Alamgirpur, and Rakhigari and Kalibang. This description described the B Alamgirpur. So next question number 14 asking that with reference to the yoga, consider the following statement. Option A, the yoga practice has been traced to the Indus Valley civilization. It's very correct statement. Second, telling that presence of yoga is seen in the Buddhist, Jain, and Tantric tradition. This is also correct. And third, telling that detail of the yoga has been systematically compiled in Mahabhasya by the Patanjali. This is incorrect. Mahabhasya by Patanjali is not the correct yoga. That is the yoga detail compiled. So third is incorrect. So he asking the which of the following is correct. So second one and second means A become the correct answer. Next question number 25 asking which of the following statement regarding the Charka Loketa school of philosophy is not correct. He asking not correct. First, telling that he rejected the authority of Veda and the Brahmanas is very correct statement. B, telling that it believed that all the things are made of the earth, air, fire, and the water. And C, telling that he rejected the idea of consciousness, God, rebirth, and the incarnation is very correct statement. And the last one is it believe in the immortality of the soul. No, this is not believe in the mortality of the soul. So this is fourth is D is incorrect. So he asking correct one, so D become the correct answer. So I would like to stop here, and we will see you in the next video with in the new video in the new question. So